Naomi Home presents the Sally Deluxe Kids Recliner Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This Sally Kids Recliner comes as shown with 2 cup holders for your child's favorite snacks or drinks. To get started, install the 4 leg pieces into the chair base. Next, fasten the clamps of the back onto the rods of the chair base. Attach onto the chair base. Test out the chair's reclining features to make sure all parts are connected properly. And there you have it, your Sally Deluxe Kids Recliner is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching! Like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.